Hey guys, it's Kat from the Motorhome travel website Wandering Bird, where we share tips and tricks for touring the UK and Europe by motorhome or camper. Today I've got a really quick update for you and exciting news, but before we get started on that, I want to give you the opportunity to enter our latest competition. It's my birthday this week, whoop, whoop. And LifeSaver have very kindly offered to give one of you the opportunity to get one of those amazing jerry cans. Now, if you don't know what I'm talking about, we reviewed this a few months back. And if you're planning on spending any time off-grid and you're concerned about where you're going to get fresh drinkable water from, these jerry cans are amazing. You can literally fill them up from any water source, a local stream, a puddle, something. And it takes all of the impurities out and makes it into safe drinkable water for you. They're fabulous. We used it when we were up to Chime in the Dolomites and it was amazing. So they have donated one to be given as a prize to one of you guys, which is amazing. If you're going to spend most of your time on campsites, it's probably not so necessary for you, but anyone who's going to be spending a lot of time off grid, you definitely need one of these. Here's how you enter, very simple. Step 1, subscribe to this channel. That was an obvious one, right? So click the little subscribe button if you haven't already. If you want bonus points, click the little bell next to it and that'll tell you when our next video is out. Step 2, make sure that you are on our email list. Now this is really important because you're going to need to reply to an email so that I know you want to be in the competition. If you're not on our email list, you're not going to get the email to reply to. So in the video notes for this video, you will find a link that says, get your free wild camping checklist. And you can get your free wild camping checklist. Everyone's a winner. And if you click on that, even if you're not sure whether you are or are not subscribed to us, click on that, tell me where to send your checklist, tell me your name as well so I can personalise it for you and make sure that I know who you are. And we'll send you your checklist and you will be on our email list. And I will send out an email, I'm going to say within the next 7 days because I don't know what my internet's going to be like yet, and we'll get to that very, very shortly. So just to recap, 2 steps, I feel like there should be 3, but I couldn't think of a third thing to do, so let's just make it 2, make it really simple. Subscribe to this channel on YouTube and make sure that you are on our email list. Very, very straightforward. So, quick update on what's going on with us. We're in France, as many of you know. We've been here for the entirety of the lockdown and they have just lifted the travel restrictions. So up until a few days ago, we were only allowed to go 100 kilometres from our home postcode, as it was. And now we can go pretty much anywhere within France. There's green zones and red zones, but we won't overcomplicate it. So we are going to go to the Pyrenees. I'm going to spend my birthday in the Pyrenees. So this video is going to go live on Sunday. We're setting off on Monday. If you'd like to follow us and see where we end up, I'm going to be posting some photos on both Instagram and Facebook. I'll put the links in the video notes as well. So you can follow us there and see where we go. We've never been to the Pyrenees before, certainly not in a motorhome. I think I went when I was a small child skiing in Andorra once, but I don't remember. So if you've got any recommendations on places that we should see, we're only going to go for a few days. We're just going to test the waters out. We're not going to go near any big cities or towns or probably near people, to be honest. We're going to just stay, we're going to take everything we need in the motorhome and we are going to stay far, far away from as many places as we can be and just enjoy the mountains and being out and about and back in that van again. I'm very excited about that. So that's our big news, apart from the fact that it's my birthday this week, obviously. I have got a couple of prizes and things that have been donated. So the LifeSaver is prize number 1. I'll do a couple more in probably a couple of weeks so that it's not competition after competition. You'll all get a bit sick of that. But I've definitely got a European map to go on the back of your motorhome or camper. Like the ones that we do, we've got the little stickers that you can stick on. I've got one of those to give away. And I've got a couple of other things that I will keep for later. So yes, definitely stay tuned to both YouTube and on our mailing list. And I'll let you know when the next competition after this one is coming up. But first things first, just to recap for those of you who can't remember, subscribe to the channel, get on our mailing list, and I will send further details on what you have to do to get in the draw to get one of these LifeSaver Jerrycans. I'll send it by email to you. That is everything from us. I hope you are safe and well. I'm sorry that things are not opening up across borders and stuff, and it's impossible to know when we might be able to do further travel. We're trying to get back to the UK to see family trying to get out here to see us. It's not easy, and I'm really sorry that there's no definite dates or anything yet, but as soon as we know more, I will definitely keep you posted. I hope you're safe, I hope you're well, I hope you and all your family are doing okay and not struggling too much at the moment. And big love and hugs to all of you, and I'll see you very soon. You take care. Bye-bye.
We're talking about a good time. We're chasing every moment, all the good nights. We're always looking out and it's a good life.